Welcome back to the Powerbomb Nation, ladies and gentlemen. And today we have another loot crate, and we'll talk about that in a moment. But before we get started, I appreciate you appreciating me. So please like, subscribe, leave a comment below, and hit that notification bell. That way you're notified whenever we go live here on the Powerbomb Nation with a new video, whether it be unboxing or a live podcast. Who knows what we're going to get into, but today we're going to get into the latest loot crate and see exactly what we got going on. So again, you see they package them in generic packaging. This has been my only complaint with Loot Crate. They've been fantastic with what's inside, but I do not care for the packaging so far. So let's see if this one holds true. I'm try to be very careful on this. All right, so I think I've got enough there to go ahead and. All right, so this did say something about NECA on it, but this will be very interesting to see what's inside. Like I said, I'm sure it's going to be fantastic. Oh, this is the Fallout crate. So this was our first Fallout crate. I think we just done a couple of these as well. So let's take a look and see what all we have inside. I'm very curious to see what that is, but I'm super excited for a Fallout pin. And there we go. We got bottle and cap Fallout. What a wonderful pin. That's going to look great up on the big board. So what should we do next? Let's do the water bottle, because that's obviously what this is a water bottle. Property of the U.S. government, emergency drinking water, McDonald Bariner Company, Boston, Mass. And there you see an old can. It's got the spout on top. Got a Fallout crate 2024, made in China, our favorite place. And it's got the straw and everything in there. And don't think I'll actually drink out of this. It will probably just go over here for display. So that's pretty cool. All right, let's check out this, and then we'll get into whatever's in there. So this will start out, we can see clearly it's going to be something from Nuka World. Nuka World, and this is some sort of blanket or a cover. Wow, this is like a giant Nuka World map. So that folds on the back. So it's just a giant folding cloth map. No idea what I'll do with that. And then we got one more item here. So let's get back to our and see what this is. And we have All right, Cram. So this is like the Fallout version of Spam. So it's a 10. That's pretty cool. So we got a Graham Span Tim, an emergency drinking water bottle, a bottle and cappy pen, and a giant Nuka World map. So very, very interesting box. That was our first Fallout crate. We got 2 more of those that are coming in, and we will check out and see what those are about, and hope you enjoy those videos. So stay tuned for the other 2. And until next time, like, subscribe to the channel, and may the force be with you.